Hello! The Gwinnett County Public Library is hosting a new and exciting contest. It's the Holiday Book Contest. We want you to send us your stories about how you celebrate the holidays. It can be any holiday, from New Year's to 4th of July to Christmas. Once you've created your book, you can drop it off to any Gwinnett County Library location. Just be sure to include the submission form, which can either be printed or filled out online. Our first place winner will get his or her book put into the Gwinnett County Public Library collection for lots of other children to read. This contest is open to any elementary school age children. The contest begins December 14th, and the last day to submit will be January 13th. We look forward to reading your books and discovering your holiday traditions. Keep watching to learn how to make a simple pamphlet book to put your holiday story in.
We are now going to learn how to create a pamphlet stitch book to put your holiday story in. You will need 3 to 4 sheets of paper, some thread or yarn, a hole puncher or needle, a pencil, and a ruler. We are using computer paper, and you can use whatever color you'd like. Start by lining up the edge of the paper and smooth your thumb over the center of the fold and over to each corner. Go over the fold with a ruler or your library card to make the fold more crisp. Repeat this for each sheet of paper. Now nest your sheets together to make them into a pamphlet book. Next, we want to create 3 holes evenly spaced on the edge of our folded paper. The easy way to do this is to create a hole template. Take a sheet of paper the same height as your book and fold it in half and fold it in half again. Then unfold the paper, and now you have 3 lines that are evenly spaced. Line this up with the edge of your folded paper and make 3 marks on the edge. Now take your hole puncher or needle and create a hole through all of your pages at least the thickness of your thread, where you have placed each mark. It can help to use a binder clip or a hair clip to hold the paper in place as you do this step. Now we're ready to bind. Grab your thread or yarn and decide how long it should be. A good rule is about 3 times the length of the height of your book, so lay down your thread and measure it 3 heights of your book. Now begin with your thread on the outside of the center hole. Leave a few inches of thread on the end, because we will make a knot at the end to hold the thread in place. Don't make your knot yet. Continue to the first hole through the inside of the book. Jump over the center hole to the 3rd hole through the outside of the book. Then return to the center hole through the inside of the book. Now to finish the book, tug on the threads a bit to make sure they're not too loose, and tie a double knot with the 2 thread ends. And you're done! We have also included written instructions and a diagram in a PDF in the description of this video if you want to refer to it as you're making your book.
Thanks for watching! We look forward to reading your books and discovering your holiday traditions.